Hi children, today we are going to learn about lesson 5 addition. Some not more than 9. What is addition children? Addition means adding of numbers. Addition ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸಂಕಲನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸುವುದು. For example, I have one bead. For this, I will add another one bead. So, now how much beads are there children? Now there are 2 beads. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣಿ ಇತ್ತು? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಮಣಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಣಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಣಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಎಸ್, 2 ಮಣಿಗಳಾದವು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಣಿಗಳಿವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 1, 2 ಮಣಿಗಳಿವೆ. Now also I will add another one bead. Observe children. Now how many beads are there? Now 3 beads are there. 2 ಮಣಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಣಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, 3 ಮಣಿಗಳಾಯಿತು. Next add another one bead for this. Now how many beads are there? Yes, 4 beads are there. And finally I will add one more bead for this. Now totally 5 beads are there. Is clear children? I say one rhymes. One rabbit was sitting. One more rabbit joins make them 2. 2 rabbits were playing. One more rabbit joins making them 3. 3 rabbits are ready for a party. One more comes in making them 4. 4 little rabbits are now ready to race. One more enters making them 5. This is how we had. This is called addition. Process of addition. Here one ball is there. If we added another one ball for this ball, then it will becomes 2 balls. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಲ್ ಇದೆ? ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ 1 ಬಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? ಒಂದು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ 2 ಆಗಿದೆ. So 1 and 1 make 2. Next here 2 bats are there. If we added another 1 bat for this bat, then it will becomes 3 bats. Next we can see here 1, 2, 3 cubes are there. If we added another 1 cube for this cube, then it will becomes 4 cubes. 3 and 1 make 4. Here already 3 squirrels are there. If we add another 2 squirrel for this group, then it will becomes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಳಿಲುಗಳಿವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಳಿಲುಗಳಿವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಳಿಲುಗಳಿವೆ. 3 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಅಳಿಲುಗಳು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ 5 ಅಳಿಲುಗಳು ಆಗಿವೆ. So 3 and 2 make 5. Here 4 cards are there. If we add another 2 cards, it will becomes to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards. 4 and 2 make 6. 4 and 2 is equal to 6. Here 5 flowers are there. If we add another 2 flowers for this group, then it will becomes 7 flowers are there. 5 and 2 is equal to 7. Let us write 7. Here, how many feathers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 feathers are there. If we add another 3 feathers, it will becomes to how much? Yes, 9 feathers. 6 and 3 is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, let us write 9. Here, 3 pumpkins are there. If we add another 3 pumpkins, it will becomes to how much? Yes, 6 pumpkins. 3 and 3 is equal to 6. Let us write 6. Okay children, I hope all of you understood this topic. Till then stay safe. Thank you.